Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to see all you new faces, you new subscribers. It really tickles my fancy. That sounds really oddly inappropriate, but I'm hoping you I blame my mother for saying those kinds of things. Okay, that sounds worse. Anyway, thank you to my new subscribers, and let me just get down to brass tacks. So my husband was in desperate need of a room makeover for his office. So we took in our house that we're renting right now, we took one of the upstairs bedrooms that is connected to the other bedroom through like a shared bathroom, and we are transforming it into an office. Okay. This technically happened like a month ago. So we're going to pretend that I did not get a haircut halfway through this video. Welcome to day one of the Royson's room makeover, aka my husband. We are going to start painting today. I will say he did a fantastic job of painting this wall over here. So we do like that color, and we know we want to paint more of the office because, as you're about to see, as he kind of shows you a little bit more of the office. Thank you again, Roy, for being my camera person. Anyway, so it kind of looks very bleh in here, and so we're going to paint this wall with the Urbane bronze, and then we're going to paint this wall over here with the Urbane bronze as well. So we've already prepped the walls, sanded the little holes, and filled and sanded holes, and okay, didn't sand enough. And I actually have 2 extra helpers other than just me and Roy. So thank you extra to them for helping us with this. We kind of just did this randomly today. We were not even expecting it. So I'm just going to show you like a little bit of each step that we do. I'm not going to go like full in depth for the whole process, but just to show you kind of like each step a little bit. After all the painting was done, we let it dry for a couple days, and then we went back and put the furniture kind of where we wanted it. The challenge with the furniture was that we had to fit 2 desks, so we decided to go in L formation for the desks, and then we also needed to fit a twin-size bed because that's where guests would sleep when they visit. It's hard to describe how much I hate the closet doors in this house, but the closet doors in this house are kind of archaic and they don't work very well. That's why I hate them. On top of that, they have an oil-based paint painted on them, and then an acrylic-based paint was sprayed on top of them. So the acrylic one, or the latex, I should say, not necessarily acrylic. The latex-based paint that was sprayed on them, which is, to the wall paint, it just scratches off, like it's touched and it scratches off. So I needed to cover that somehow, and I was not about to scrape it all off and paint it again. That was not happening at all. So I decided to go to my trusty friend, Peel and Stick Wallpaper. And so, I peel and stick wallpapered, blah, 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 blah. Peel and wallpapered, sticked the whole thing. And if I can find the link for that item, I'll put it in the description for you. This is me doing that. Also, I stabbed myself with my husband's knife on accident because I dropped it, and then it decided to twirl and stab my leg. Ow! Ugh! I just stabbed myself with your knife. I stabbed myself with your knife. So anyway, so that's what you're seeing. But back to business, sorry. this is gonna be magically done. 3, 2, 1. And I'm done. I think. Woo! I still gotta clean up the floor. But, this is how the closet looks. Oh no. Who knows if I'll be able to open it again? We took the knobs off. Hopefully I'll be able to run to the store this week and get some new knobs for it. Whew. It's hot up here. I'm just using the paper from the backing on the sticky adhesive wallpaper to make placeholders for the wall. And I'm not being perfectly exact because I'm not trying to make a gallery wall. It doesn't need to be exact. I just want to have an idea before I put things on the wall of kind of like spatially wise what it kind of looks like. And I don't have any other paper, so I figured why not use this paper. So I'm getting ready to hang my disc plate. Whew. And it gives me these, what is called a leaf. And I'm supposed to put that there to protect the wall. And then I'm supposed to put this magnet on it. And then stick this to the side to hang up this. That way you're not puncturing holes in your wall. So let's see if this works. That didn't go well. The second design is also a disc plate, so I'm going to do the same thing. I forgot to click record again. So anyway, I hung those. But for now, this wall is done. And this corner is done. And I think it's looking fabulous. His desk is going to be right there in that empty spot. Relevant spots. How did that work? Did you get everything? Mm-hmm. So that was it for my husband's office makeover. It's such a wordy thing to say. It's the ultimate office makeover. I'm calling it that. Whew, that's still a mouthful. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the makeover, and yeah, that's all I can really say. If you like this video, if you like the makeover, please hit the like button. In the comments, please let me know what you did and didn't like. Or if you have any questions about anything that I did that I may have forgotten to mention or something like that. Yeah, I'm probably gonna end up rambling some more. But yeah, just let me know down in the down in the subscription. Oh my freaking goodness. Down in the comments below, please let me know if you have any questions, comments, concerns, or if you just want to say hi, or as some of you do, if you just want to say first, I ain't gonna be mad. Any sort of interaction you do with my video really helps the algorithm. It lets YouTube know that people are liking this video, it is engaging. So yeah, no, if you want to have like a little comment war, I ain't gonna be mad. I'm really not. I ain't gonna be mad. So yeah, thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.